Hello, I'm Krumelur. Today we're going to look at hooks, stabs and riffs. But before that, I just wanted to introduce myself real quick. I have released music on Xenon Records from the very beginning. I've had tracks on a bunch of different compilations, an EP and a full-length album. I started making music on computers sometime around the mid-90s. To say the least, things were a bit more basic back then, and things sure have developed since then. I have this mini studio corner in my home, and this is where I produce all my tracks. It's a fairly minimal functional setup, and I like to focus on just getting things done and completing music. That's essentially it. I have a Nordlead synthesizer that's been with me from the very beginning. I have a small Eurorack system and some other small synths. It's all connected to my Allen and Heath mixer. I'm using an RME Babyface as my main audio interface. I have Eve Audio SC207s as my main monitors, and at the moment I'm running everything on a MacBook Pro. Bitwig Studio is my main DAW, and for this particular module I'm going to focus on using software synthesizers, and particularly the synthesizers that come with Bitwig Studio. For this module I'd like to invite you to join me in creating a track. We're going to start with a fairly simple sketch, and we're going to use that to create some hook sounds and other elements. We're going to build 6 different sounds. We're going to start with a miniature hook, kind of a short squelchy sound. We're going to add a dirty stabby chordy thing to support that. We're going to work on how to transition those sounds into the break. Then adding rhythmical, noisy riser-ish kind of sound to support the 2 first sounds. Then we're gonna look at a more bombastic, ravey, stabby kind of sound. And in the end, we're building 2 sigh riffs, or whatever you wanna call it. And yeah, it's gonna be me working out the sounds as we go along, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Before we can do anything though, we need a project to work on. So let me start with a sketch that I prepared and just put something together real quick.